Have you ever wondered how the stock market works? Welcome to Wonder with Waj. A stock is a security that represents a fraction of the ownership of a corporation. Think about a company like Nike. Imagine if Nike was a pie and each slice of pie was a part of Nike. Now, if I buy a piece of that pie for $1 and Nike does really well by selling a bunch of shoes and clothes, the value of their company goes up and so does my pie. It could be worth more than $1 now. Stocks are really important because it allows a company to raise money for the operations of their business, whether that's hiring people or using it to create a new product. It gives people like us the opportunity to grow our wealth in exchange for money so the company can use it whenever they officially become public. Now, there are thousands of companies in the stock market and they are doing this exact same thing. It's not just Nike, but the biggest companies in the world are doing this, like Apple, Google, and Microsoft, to name a few. But the business has to be public, like I was mentioning before. And what that means is they're allowing you and me to buy a part or a share of their company. Now, there are certain companies that we can't invest in yet, like TikTok or Panda Express. The primary reason why you would want to own a stock is to earn a return on your investment. So in our earlier example, if you put $1 in a company like Nike and the stock price appreciates, which pretty much means it goes up, you can sell the stock for a profit or more money than you bought it for. The average return on the stock market is about 10%. So if you invest $100 to a stock like the S&P 500, which is an index that makes up 500 of America's largest public companies, you'd make $110. So $10 over that 1 year. Now, there are individual stocks that have had returns as high as 65% to as low as below zero or negative returns. All in all, buying and holding stocks, whether you intend to keep it short-term or long-term, can really help grow your wealth and reach your financial goals. If you are interested in investing, you should start off by signing up and creating an account for a brokerage. The process is pretty easy. Now, this isn't sponsored, but some of the great ones are E-Trade, Robinhood, SoFi, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard, to name a few. Lastly, I want to mention this isn't financial advice, merely a way to teach you something you always wondered about and to give you an overview of this concept. I hope you were able to gain some value from Wonder with Waj. See you next time.